What if men attempted to wear high heels? Well, a group of men found out it is not the easiest thing to do. Now, the men, a mixture of public figures and students, were supporting a week-long initiative by the University of the West Indies and the Edna Manley College, galvanizing support for the elimination of violence against women. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis reports.
Making people laugh is what Glenn Campbell does for a living. Thursday was no different. He ran, posed for photos with adoring fans, even changing his unusual footwear. Women's heels. The experience walking in them, though, was not so funny.
Not pretty, not easy. My calves, my instep, my groin, my back, everywhere hurt me. I don't know how you ladies do it, but why? Take off my hat too now.
He was not alone. On a sunny morning in Mona, other men, and women too, attempted the walk a mile in her shoes activity around the UA Ring Road. They found it was just as awkward and humorous as it was aching.
For just 1 mile, for just about half an hour, and it has been the most difficult and most challenging task I've undertaken for the whole 2019.
The initiative was one in a series put on by the University of the West Indies and the Edna Manley College this week to mark International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women that was commemorated on Monday.
I'm walking in my granddaughter's shoes. And the idea is that I'm just, even in a small symbolic way, I'm trying to inhabit what she must live with in Jamaica every day. To walk to the bus stop from school, strange men will shout at her, will make offensive comments at her. And if men can begin to imagine what it feels like to be a woman, then we can get women to change how they behave towards women.
I have family members, girlfriends, co-workers who have been affected by this issue. And I sympathize with them, and I am all for everything and anything that can be done to help eradicate this problem.
For next year, they're hoping to get more men in heels. But importantly, as these statistics show, to reduce instances of violence against women, not just on university campuses, but across Jamaica. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.